Hey there, welcome to Food Technoscience. In this video, we are going to discuss how food drives the world. This is a world of 7.9 million humans where the food habits of each individual is different from the other. You may go from one house to other, one street to other, one region to other, one state to other, and one country to other. You'll find different people with different food choices. Why is food considered as the basic element and is grouped under the essential commodities? So the first thing is the power of food. You must have heard about the war incidents in the history when one side used to block the food sources of the other side in order to weaken them and strengthen their own power. Similar to that, entire armies were brutally killed by mixing poison in the food. Food exerts great power in families and societies as well. In families, children are often warned of not being provided with the dinner as a result of punishment, whereas special things such as candies and chocolates are provided as rewards. So this is the power of food. Now next is security. Individuals and family members feel secure when there is ample food available in the house, especially with the thought of sudden advent of an unprecedented crisis. For instance, during the beginning phase of the COVID-19 crisis, people panicked and they thought that due to the implementation of COVID protection measures, all transportation is gonna be halted. So there might be a scarcity of food. So people would not be allowed to go out to purchase the food, and this developed a sense of insecurity in them, due to which they started hoarding the foods in their houses. Now next is status. So there are foods that have been considered to be consumed by the upper section of the society and not meant for the general public. These foods in earlier days included white bread, special cakes and other things, while the general public consumed the brown and black bread. Similarly, it is considered a symbol of status to consume white polished rice and polished pulses instead of brown unpolished rice, even in the present times, even if white rice is less nutritious. Many people like to go on a meal with their guests in a 5-star restaurant in order to depict their status in the society. Now next is hospitality. Whenever a guest arrives at our place, we offer them food or drink. In India, offering a cup of tea is considered as a friendly gesture. Almost every household serves the best possible food in their homes to the guests. There are a variety of dishes made when someone is invited for a dinner or a lunch. So basically, food is a way to offer hospitality. Now next is emotions. There are certain foods that are savored highly by individuals. It might make them re-embrace the beautiful childhood days or maybe a vacation at their grandma's place. There are special emotions that are connected to the traditional food related to one's culture. On the other hand, whenever people are going through a mental breakdown, they tend to binge eat in order to overcome that phase. Sometimes anger and sadness leads in denial to eat. So for a common man, food means a lot of other things than just nutrients. It is a means to express gratification, warm gesture, welcome, pleasure, and a way to live traditions and cultures. All in all, food is a way to express and communicate, along with being a part of one's appetite. So that was all in today's video. Hope you liked it. Stay connected with Food Technoscience and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.